Kuki militants launched a fierce attack on several peripheral areas in Lamlai constituency from yesterday through early this morning. In one incident, a man working in a paddy field was injured by gunfire as Kuki militants targeted farmers near New Cannon village. The injured individual was quickly taken to Yaingangpokpi Primary Health Center for medical care. The attack occurred around 9 a.m. while 11 men from the Tangkhul community were engaged in rice harvesting at Yaingangpokpi Uyok foothill. As per report, the militants fired upon the group from Layaram Cemetery located near P. Faimol Sangaren village, forcing the farmers to flee. The injured man, identified as Kansok Horam, 32-year-old from New Cannon village, sustained multiple injuries to his hand and feet. After receiving initial treatment at Yaingangpokpi PHC, he was transferred to JN Hospital for further medical attention. According to Kansok Horam, a group of 11 individuals, 9 from Tangkhul community and 2 from Nepali community, had gone to Yaingangpokpi Uyok foothill for rice harvesting around 7 a.m. today. As they finished harvesting and prepared to collect the harvested rice, the militants launched their assault. Kansok Horam sustained injuries and ran along with 2 other companions and hid nearby. Later, a combined team of Manipur police and the Border Security Force BSF rescued the remaining 8 other individuals from the site.